it's me. I was wondering if after all this time I'll get some sleep to roll over, catch some Z's. They say this chin strap's gonna help me, but it ain't the remedy. Hello, do you hear me? It's your better half over here, trying for 40 winks for the alarm starts to ring. I've forgotten how I used to sleep from night to morning. There's such a tension between us and your sheepish smiles. Snoring on the other side, I must have kicked you 1,000 times to hear you snoring, sounding just like wild hogs. But I kick you and you keep sawing logs, snoring on the other side. Perhaps it's time for cyanide. It's clear to me now I must be going insane, but I've never been one to complain. Hello, how am I? It's so typical of you to talk to me so innocent. You hope I slept well. You act like you think I slept and that the snoring never was. It's no secret that your snoring is tearing us apart. Snoring on the